Rank POS Sales Honest Review. Watch before using. Running a retail store without clear sales data is like driving with your eyes closed. You won't believe what happens next when you finally see your inventory and sales clearly. Rank POS is a point-of-sale system designed for brick-and-mortar stores. It manages inventory, sales tracking, customer data, and reports. You can see which products sell fastest, manage stock levels, and track staff performance. Rank POS improves accuracy, reduces losses, and simplifies daily operations. If you run a physical store, Rank POS can help you grow smarter. Subscribe for more honest retail software reviews. Title start Trainiac Fitness Honest Review. Watch before using title be in the script start Trainiac Fitness Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people download a fitness app hoping it will finally keep them consistent. But the surprising truth is that motivation fades fast without accountability. That is where Trainiac promises to change everything. Trainiac is a personal training app that connects you with a real certified fitness coach who builds a workout plan based on your body, schedule, and goals. Instead of following random workouts, you get a structured program with weekly check-ins, progress reviews, and direct messaging with your trainer. Once you sign up, you answer questions about your fitness level, injuries, available equipment, and time commitment. Your coach then creates a plan that updates as you progress. Most people get this wrong, but here's why this matters. Personalized training can dramatically improve consistency and reduce injury risk. You can log workouts, track progress, and message your coach directly inside the app. If you miss sessions or hit a plateau, your trainer adjusts your routine instead of letting you drift away. Trainiac is best for people who want guidance, accountability, and real human support without paying for in-person sessions. If you want fast, customized results, and real motivation, Trainiac delivers solid value. Subscribe for more honest fitness tech reviews.